Unlock incredible savings on Temu by mastering the art of finding working discount codes. First things first, let's dive straight into the Temu app itself. Open your Temu app and navigate to the Offers tab. This is Temu's primary hub for all their current deals and promotions. You'll often find new user discounts, flash sales, and sometimes even printable coupons directly within this section. Give it a thorough scroll as they rotate these offers frequently. Now, let's expand our search to the web. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Temu website. In your browser search bar, type in Temu discount codes or Temu coupons. Be specific. This will bring up a multitude of websites dedicated to coupon aggregation. Many reputable coupon websites regularly update their lists of valid Temu codes. Look for sites with a good reputation and recent activity. Some popular ones often have exclusive partnerships with Temu, meaning you might find codes here that aren't advertised directly in the app. For ultimate convenience, consider installing a browser extension that automatically finds and applies coupon codes. Popular options like Honey, Rakuten, or Capital One Shopping can scan the Temu website as you browse and alert you to available discounts. They even often test the codes for you. When you're ready to check out, look for the Enter Promo Code or Coupon Code field. This is usually located on the final payment page. Before confirming your order, carefully type in the code you found and click Apply. If the code is valid, you'll see the discount reflected in your order total immediately. It's that simple. Don't forget to enable push notifications from the Temu app and subscribe to their email newsletters. Temu often sends out exclusive codes and early access to sales directly to their engaged users. Finally, keep an eye on Temu's official social media channels. They frequently announce limited offers and run giveaways that might include valuable discount codes as prizes. Follow them on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. By using these practical strategies, you'll be well on your way to snagging those elusive Temu discount codes and saving big on your next shopping spree.